the 2010 Nissan Rogue. With just over 35,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors, and much more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. All-wheel drive enhances stability in unpredictable circumstances. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.